Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture, page number 165, lecture number 7, to construct an angle of 135. An angle of 135 is equal to 90 degree plus bracket close 90 degree minus 45. Therefore, an angle of 135 can be constructed as follow. If you need an angle of 135, you should make an angle of 90 degree. After, you can get the angle of 135. Example 11, you check in a picture. Angle of 135. How to draw, I'll tell you. Construct an angle measuring 135. These are the steps, different steps to draw. Step 1, draw a straight line CD. Step 2, draw a perpendicular AB2 line to right angle at firm angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. And measure angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. Step 3, bisect one of the 90 degree angles, say angle ABC, then angle ABN is equal to 45 degree and angle NBC is equal to 45 degree. Angle NBD is equal to angle ABN plus angle ABD. Angle NBD is equal to 45 degree plus 90 degree. You can get the angle 135. Angle NBD is the required angle 135.